We are back. It's Carl here, and as you remember from the last video I posted, you know that I screwed up painting the underside, the frame rail on the passenger side. So we're going to be redoing it today. We're going to get it all sanded again, and then I got the torpedo heater going, so we're going to get this garage nice and warm so the primer can dry decent, actually dry instead of, kind of stopping when it's cold out. And then we're gonna just redo everything pretty much. I mean, I don't really have to do anything with the seam sealer because, well, I peeled it all off. So yep, let's get right into it. We'll start sanding it. Now that it's all prepped and cleaned, I'm gonna tape off and we're ready for primer. We got the framer all taped up. We're ready for some primer now. I know it's loud, but the primer seems to be pretty dry. I scuffed it a little bit for the seam sealer, so now we're gonna apply the seam sealer and let that dry under the heat. I gotta say, doing the seam sealer the second time around, it actually looks a lot better than the first time I did it. So I'm actually kind of happy I had to redo this because now I'm a lot more happy with it. So we're gonna let this dry and then we'll be on the paint pretty soon. And before I reassemble, guys, what I'm doing right now is I am coating the inside of the frame rail with this product called Honey Coat. So what this does is you spray it over all the bare metal that you got, and this creates like a wax film. So your bare metal will never rust out. So if you can see up in here, kind of see all this gold and brown. So it's all gonna make a wax layer over everything. So it should seal it up pretty nice and it'll be watertight. I have some good news, everybody. So I bolted in the tranny cross member. It actually went in fairly easy. I remember doing the transmission swap, and it was a lot harder to get this cross member in. So this is awesome that it only takes this long now to do it. I mean, it's great. So yeah, everything seemed to thread in fine, and it's supported by its own weight right now. So I think we're a go. I got the exhaust back on, which is awesome. I'm so happy that this job is done. So now really the hard part now is to clean up all the tools, get the car down, do a test drive, and see how everything is. I mean, nothing mechanically should be broken. It should be just, it was just all structural and everything that I had to fix. So everything should still be the same. Yeah, we'll find out tomorrow though. I'll let you know. I'll take you along for the ride. This is probably going to be one of the last few videos we got of the car because I'm planning on putting it away for the year because winter's coming. We're middle of October up in Minnesota. It starts getting pretty cold, so... And plus the car doesn't have any heat, so it sucks. So I got the car down, I got everything cleaned up. So let's see if she starts right off the bat. I mean, the battery's, fully charged, so she should start right up. Yeah, I think the battery's a little... It hasn't ran in a while. She's not running too good right now, but we'll see here. Yeah, she's starting to get normal idle, so there we go. That's better. Well, let's put her in gear and see what happens. All right. See if we can move her out. Yeah, I think the battery's a little dead right now, so let me give it a minute. Let's see what happens when she warms up a little bit. All right, so we did the test drive with the Camaro, and yes, after it warmed up a bit, it was running just fine, just like it was before. We did about 20 miles in this car, and everything seemed to be good. So tomorrow is the day. Unfortunately, we got to put it away for storage. So you'll see a video on that, and I'll do a little talking, and I'll show you the drive up there. It's a 2-hour drive to where it's got to go, but it should make it for tomorrow. So hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.